Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on GameHub. First, make sure your GameHub account is fully set up and connected to your Riot Games account. This integration is crucial for accessing the game. Next, download and install the Valorant client directly from the GameHub platform. It's a straightforward process that usually takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Before diving in, quickly check your system specifications to ensure they meet the game's minimum requirements for a smooth experience. Finally, take a moment to adjust your in-game settings for optimal performance and personal comfort. Valorant offers several exciting game modes, each with unique objectives. The primary mode revolves around planting or defusing the spike, a tactical objective that requires teamwork. I recommend starting with unrated matches. These allow you to learn the various maps and agent abilities without the pressure of a ranked environment. For quick aim practice and intense combat scenarios, deathmatch is an excellent choice. Once you feel confident in your abilities and understanding of the game, you can then venture into the more challenging competitive mode. Valorant features a diverse roster of agents, each bringing unique abilities and playstyles to the battlefield. Agents are categorized into 4 distinct roles: Duelist, Initiator, Controller, and Sentinel. Understanding these roles is key to building a balanced team. Each agent possesses a signature ability, which is often free, and an ultimate ability, which charges up during the match. Learning to effectively use these abilities and coordinating them with your teammates will give you a significant strategic advantage in every round. To truly excel in Valorant, effective communication is paramount. Use voice chat or the ping system to share crucial information with your team. Another vital skill is mastering crosshair placement. Always aim at head level to secure quick eliminations. Smart economic management is also key. Spend your credits wisely each round to ensure you have the best weapons and abilities available. Finally, consistent practice is essential. Dedicate time to improving your aim, refining your movement, and deepening your map knowledge for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.